Let's do something simple and easy. Again, another one pot and a budget meal. I'm going to show you how to do tuna patties with vegetables. So for this recipe I'm using 2 potatoes, 1 stick celery and white part of 1 leek, 1 carrot, 2 onions, few chilies. Instead of chilies you can use capsicums and some garlic, quarter bunch of fresh parsley. I'm using 800 grams of tuna, fresh tuna, and you can use the canned tuna instead. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 eggs for egg washing with 1 cup of milk, and I'm using panko breadcrumbs. While cooking the tuna, let's cut the vegetables. First I'm going to add the potatoes into the food processor. Into that onion and the chilies with the garlic, and process it while adding the leeks, carrot, celery, and then going to add the fresh parsley too. So you will find a mashed up vegetable mixture like this. This is the easiest way. So take it out. Into a pan, add about a tablespoon or 2 oil, and into that add the chopped vegetables. Cook it in the oil about 5 minutes until there is no liquid. And when you do this, make sure to keep on stirring. If not, it will stick onto the pot. Now while cooking, add the salt and pepper to taste and cook about 5 minutes. Once you finish cooking, it will look like this, and there is not much liquid at all. This can vary due to different types of potatoes, so maybe you need to add a bit of breadcrumbs at the end if you find the mixture is very wet. Some potatoes are very watery and some are not. I'm using the Desiree potatoes here. So it is ready. Now I'm going to leave this to cool down completely until I finish with the tuna. While leaving them to cool down, break the eggs into the milk and whisk the eggs slightly. It's ready. So the tuna is ready. I drained the water and the potato mixture is getting cooler. So I'm going to break the tuna into pieces and put it into the potato mix. After adding the tuna into the pan, mix it well. Once it mixes with all the vegetables, we are ready to do the rest. It's ready. It needs to cool down a little bit. So these patties are going to be in the oven. I'm not going to deep fry. You can deep fry this one if you want to. You need the flour, then the egg wash and the breadcrumbs. So let's do the patties now. Take a big bowl of the tuna. Flour your hands. Press and then press. If you want to do it in burger buns, you can do it larger. So press again in flour so it absorbs all the moisture. You can do the day before and do it the next day, leaving it in flour like this. So egg wash. And put it on a tray. After dipping it in breadcrumbs, I'm going to dip that in oil like this. So you are not deep frying, but you dip that in oil and put it on the baking sheet. So it gives a nice golden brown look to the patties. So it is ready, and I'm going to put this in the oven 180 Celsius about 20 minutes until golden brown. I finished baking them until golden brown. So when you bake them, make sure that you rotate it and turn it upside down too. And this is a simple meal that you can serve with tomato sauce or chutney, and you can freeze them in individual bags to throw them whenever you want. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.